think if you gave the average person a pencil and a piece of paper and asked them to draw a motorcycle, they're probably going to draw you a Breakout. It's the quintessential Harley-Davidson silhouette. Long, raked out, that chopper look. It's low slung to the ground. So we first saw Breakout in 2013. We've now completely reinvented the model, and it's better than ever. We used to have a 3.5-gallon tank. We've moved to a 5-gallon tank. We've put in the 117 powertrain. This gives you 101 horsepower, 123 foot-pounds of torque. So we have this 240 millimeter rear tire, and then we have this larger front wheel. We have these 26-spoke roulette wheels. Now, both standing still or moving down the road, these wheels look absolutely magnificent, and they really set off the bike. Breakout fans are huge, huge chrome fans, so again, it was really important to us that this bike was just covered in chrome. That orange has these wonderful finishes, beautiful, deep, rich paintwork. The Softail chassis gives an amazing performance with the suspension, so it's much more comfortable. You have traction control and ABS. You have cruise control available. So you have all of the modern conveniences that you want as a rider in 2023 without having to compromise on that classic style that we know our riders love so much. I would say Breakout is loud in all of the good ways. It will attract all of the right kind of attention. When you bring a bike like this into a fuel station or up to a cafe, you're going to have a crowd around you.